Meaning of legal holiday.
Legal holiday.
Legal holiday.
Legal holiday.
Legal holiday. A legal holiday is a day that is recognized by the law as a day on which businesses and schools are typically closed, and employees are entitled to a day off with pay. Legal holidays are typically established by federal, state, or local governments and are often used to commemorate important historical events or religious occasions. Examples of legal holidays in the United States include New Year's Day, Martin Luther King Jr. Day, Memorial Day, Independence Day, Labor Day, Thanksgiving Day, and Christmas Day.